After a few years of making spatial 3D videos for YouTube and DeoVR, I'm moving my productions into a new immersive environment, the Engage XR platform, which features a no-code toolkit for creating VR content. Engage XR allows users to build and share immersive environments and experiences without writing code. It runs on VR headsets, desktops, and mobile devices, and it's one of the most accessible tools currently available for creators who want to produce spatial content without a development background. For comparison, platforms like VRChat require community-sourced assets and Unity knowledge, while Engage provides built-in tools for object placement, environment design, and multi-user interaction out of the box. Users can still add their own assets and environments, and Engage even has its own Unity software development kit. Nevertheless, this platform provides environments, assets, and tools that are ready to use for presentations, classes, and other events. In particular, the selection of ready-to-use environments in Engage is very impressive. They range from modest environments that can accommodate a small group of people to massive exhibit halls that could host a trade show or convention. The first thing I set up in Engage is a gallery space to showcase 3D scans I've taken over the years. Through Engage, these scans can be experienced in 3 dimensions. Viewers can walk around them, get close, and view them as spatial objects rather than as flat images. These are pieces that have been sitting on my hard drive for a while, waiting for a space like this. Another feature I'll be using is the platform's support for invited guests and audiences. I'll bring other XR creators into this environment to share their work and discuss what inspires them to produce immersive content. If you're creating immersive content and want to be part of this, let me know. Engage XR's no-code approach significantly lowers the barrier of entry for spatial content creation. Showcases of 3D scans and invited creator work can be assembled into a single explorable environment within minutes, without needing Unity. For creators who want to share content without writing code, Engage is a practical solution, and I plan on using it for future videos. Lowering the barrier of entry into XR means many more kinds of immersive content can be made for VR headsets, AR glasses, 3D monitors, and other stereoscopic devices. A no-code platform like Engage changes who gets to build, not just developers, but creators who want to bring their ideas to life in immersive media. I plan on being here for all of it, producing, sharing, and documenting what is possible for creators as Engage XR continues to develop its VR toolkit. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe to see more VR videos, and please feel free to leave comments below.